In this video, we'll show you how to make a PDF on your Android phone. So the best way to do this is to download this Google Docs app on your phone. It's completely free. You can download it from the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it and then sign in with your Google account. Now tap the plus icon at the bottom and then select new document. Now you can here enter any text that you want in your PDF. You can even insert images in this. So for that, tap the plus icon at the top and then select image and then choose one of the image from your collection. So I'll just enter a random image here and then tap on done. So once the image is added, it should look something like this. Now tap the right check mark at the top. Now all that's left to do is save the file as a PDF. So tap the three dot icon and then select share and export. Now select save as and then choose PDF from the list and then tap on OK. So this will basically save the PDF and it will look something like this. It will be saved to your Google Drive account, but if you want an offline copy, you can simply tap on this download button right here. Now there's also another way to do this. So for that, open the Google Drive app, tap the plus icon and then choose scan. So this will basically allow you to scan a document. So if you have a paper document, you can simply scan it like this. You can even scan multiple pages like this. Once they are scanned, simply tap this right arrow, apply all the edits that you want and then tap on next. Now finally select PDF format and then name the PDF anything that you want and then choose upload. So the PDF will be uploaded to your Google Drive account and then you can download it from there. So this is how you can make PDFs on your Android phone for completely free. If